Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Apple ID password, secure recovery guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is connected to a trusted Wi-Fi or mobile network. Check that you still have access to your Apple ID email address or your trusted phone number. If you are using an iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app from the home screen. Tap your name at the top to open Apple ID settings. Tap Password and Security to see sign-in options. Tap Change Password to begin the reset process. If your device asks for your iPhone or iPad passcode, enter it to continue. Type a new strong password with at least 8 characters, including upper and lowercase letters and numbers. Re-enter the new password exactly the same to confirm it. Tap Change to save the new password and update your Apple ID. If you do not have access to your device, open a browser and go to Apple.com. Type your Apple ID email address and enter the CAPTCHA characters shown. Click Continue to proceed to verification. Choose to receive a verification code by text message or phone call to your trusted number. Enter the code as soon as you receive it to verify your identity. If you are asked to confirm a trusted device, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Create a new password that you have not used before on any important account. Save the password in a trusted password manager or write it down and store it securely. After resetting, sign in again on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and any Apple services you use. If you see a prompt about other devices, approve the sign-in only if it is really you. If you cannot access your trusted number, select Can't use this number and choose Account Recovery. Enter a phone number you can access now and submit it for recovery updates. Follow Apple's recovery timeline and wait for the confirmation message from Apple. On a Mac, you can also reset by going to System Settings, then your name, then Password and Security. If you use two-factor authentication, keep your trusted phone number up to date in Apple ID settings. After you regain access, review your Apple ID security by checking trusted devices and removing unknown ones. Update your device passcode and enable Face ID or Touch ID for extra protection. Avoid phishing by only resetting passwords through settings or the official Apple.com website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.